To install Google Gemini on your phone, first of all you will have to head over to the Play Store. Then simply tap on the magnifier on the bottom right corner and then tap on the search bar on the top. Then simply search for Google Gemini. Then simply search it, and after that you will have to open Google Gemini and then hit install. And it may take some seconds to install. It's a light application and it will install according to your internet connection. And after you have installed the Google Gemini application, you will have to tap on open. Now you can see that you can now give a prompt to Google Gemini, a voice message, or anything like any image by tapping on this plus. And if you want to, and your account will automatically be logged into this Google Gemini application. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and like the video. And if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.